Good evening, everyone. My name is Ruchika Dahat. I basically belong to Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have done my graduation in B.sc IT from Prerna College of Commerce in 2021. After that, I searching about job, and my brothers told me about the suggestion to the revision classes, and after that I joined the classes, and it is a full day internship program, and also learning skill, and it is an yeah, they provide also technical knowledge, and also theoretical and also practical knowledge about, and they taught about basic networking basic networking troubleshooting, and all the CCNA, cyber security, network, and troubleshooting, and ITIL, and they give also they give also theoretical and also practical knowledge about, and they also provided the interview section, and daily mock interview rounds, and I suggested to the and I got a job in Utturkars with the salary package of 2.4 LPA, and it is a base platform to learn and get a job, learn skills and get a job, and also thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much to all the vision teams, and especially thank you so much, Ganesh sir, Sati ma'am, and also Anamika ma'am. Thank you so much.